wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best packing cubes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the ready-to-go come in 3 color options and have attractive accent piping, which makes them look more stylish than your average option. In addition, they come with a laundry bag and a hanging 4-section toiletry bag, so you have no excuse for messy packing. They're equipped with easy-to-grasp zipper pulls and are strong and sturdy for compressing. However, they are heavier than other models. At number 9, the Evatex Crown are constructed from diamond nylon that can withstand all kinds of abuse. Unfortunately, the same cannot be said of the zippers, so be careful when opening and closing this set. For the price though, they are hard to beat. There are 5 colors to choose from, all with partially see-through mesh, but they don't offer much compression. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Shack Pack are made from water-resistant nylon, making them a smart option for those who travel in extreme conditions. The double-stitch design reinforces their lids, keeping your clothes perfectly flat, and they offer good breathability. These are deep enough to hold a lot of stuff and come in an attractive matte finish. However, the included laundry bag is flimsy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for packing cubes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Rasogi Premium are hard-wearing, come in every size you could possibly need, and are simple to clean by hand washing. They're one of the best ways to stay organized while traveling and can be arranged easily in small or large suitcases. They store nested when not in use and feature a large mesh diamond for seeing inside. They're great value for the price. Moving up our list to number 6. All of the pieces of the eBags M13032 have fully finished interior seams to prevent damage to the stored contents, and mesh tops which allow you to see what's inside at just a glance. The zippers have corded pulls with tabs. They'll fit inside most hotel drawers and are made from a thin, space-saving material. However, they have no internal structure when they're empty. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Zero Grid will help to maximize your packing space while reducing wrinkles in your clothing at the same time. This set includes cubes of 2 different sizes, both of which have a reinforced carrying handle for easy portability. The set also includes a water-resistant shoe bag and Cobra Weave paracord zipper pulls. It comes in a black color that doesn't show dirt. At number 4, in addition to efficiently compressing all types of clothing for travel, the medium Dot & Dot are sturdy enough to store toiletries, makeup bottles, and even camera equipment. They'll last for years and help to make travel stress-free. They feature a dual zippered opening and are available in same or mixed colors. They're handy for home storage. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Pro Packing Cubes comes as a set of 6 pieces of varying sizes, so you have one that's perfect for every type of garment and accessory, from shoes to jackets. They're made from long-lasting ripstop nylon and have sturdy YKK zippers. These are reinforced at the stress points and fit into airline carry-on luggage, plus they're breathable to prevent odor buildup. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for packing cubes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Amazon Basics 4-piece is an economical choice with sturdier units than most other budget options. If you often like to pack a lot of stuff or big items, this set will work well for you, as the largest bag is also bigger than those that come with most others. They're made with see-through mesh tops from a thick material to protect the contents, and they stretch to accommodate heavy packing. And taking the top spot on our list, the Eagle Creek Packet Spectre help you keep all of your gear from sunglasses to socks organized, making it easier to find things without rummaging through your entire luggage. The whole set weighs just 2.2 ounces, so you don't have to worry about added weight. They feature convenient quick grab top handles and a lifetime warranty. They're durable and water repellent. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for packing cubes, or simply click beneath this video.